Hey guys, your Tech Corner here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a install. So today what I have for you is a RAM upgrade actually for my MacBook. So what you're going to need is a knife to open up the packaging, and also a jeweler's screwdriver, because the screws that we're going to be taking out are a bit, they're small, so you have to have a small head on the screwdriver. And also a quarter so we can take out the battery. So let's just get into this. So now, to begin with, you just want to take the quarter, put it in, twist it, then pop out the battery, and you can set that aside. And then, let's zoom in here. Now there's 3 screws. I'm not sure if you can see them, but there's one here, here, and here. Now before I do this, I'm going to quick unbox this. So let me set this aside. Let me open up the packaging. And as you can see, it's a 4 GB kit for Apple, and it's made by Kingston Technology, and it's pretty nice, and wasn't too expensive either, so that's good. If you want to know more details, feel free to comment, or you can just send me a message. So let's just open this quick. Okay, so here's the memory itself, and as you guys can see, here is a very nice it says installation easy as 1, 2, 3, and it has 1, 2, and then 3, and again, my autofocus on this is not very well, so, but anyways, I don't need to use this because I do know what I'm doing. So, let's set the RAM over here, and again, let's just move the camera over. And like I said, there are 3 screws that need to be undone. So let's just do that quickly. There are these 2 little switches. Right here and right here. Now what you're going to want to do is slide this over just like this, and then the RAM slot slides out, and this one was a 512 megabyte, and then here is the second. Very nice and easy. Thank you, Apple. I love this little cool idea. And then here's the second one. This one's also 512 megabyte. And now let's try and put these in now. So there's a little diagram here where it shows which way you want them to be going. So you want them to be going this way. And now let's try and put this in. Just lift this side up. And that should be good. And pop this one in. Just like so. There's only one way to find out. And that is to put this all back into place. And just do exactly what I did before.